Okay, welcome to lesson 2. This is what makes games successful. And in this lesson, students will explore exactly that, what makes games successful. So the first thing that students will do is they're going to go into Game Alley and they are going to play some games that have been created by other video game designers within the Gamestar Mechanic community. As they play the games, they are going to answer the following questions. What do you like about the game? How did the creator make the game engaging? And how did the creator make the game user-friendly? Then they're going to bring their research back to the class, and as a class, we'll make a list of success criteria for successful games. And then based on that success criteria, they're going to create their own games. And they can do this alone or they can do it with a partner. So they're going to go into the workshop area, and then they're going to go to build a new game. So this is the workshop area where they'll create their games, and they have all of the sprites that they have earned. They should have 20 from successfully completing the quest in an earlier lesson. So then they'll they'll be able to choose their avatar, who's the character who they're going to portray. They're going to choose if they want to have enemies. Some games actually don't have enemies and work fairly successfully, trying to beat the clock to get a certain number of coins. There's different types of blocks that they can use and add into the game site. There's also games that do not have blocks. In the settings, they can create a game name, a game intro message, game win message, their goals and rules, and tips and tricks. Also, in the settings, they can talk about, what type of perspective, do they want to have top-down or platformer, how they want their characters to move, which I had already explained in an earlier video of the introduction to Gamestar Mechanic. So then they can do all those things, and then they can actually play the game, see if it works, and then they can re-edit it as they need to. So all the while that they're doing this, the teacher should have set up some kind of discussion board on whatever learning platform they most commonly use. So if they have a website on Weebly, they can insert a discussion board so students can talk back and forth about things that they're learning or problems that they're having with each other and get the support of their peers. And then as a teacher, you can also support them that way as well. They could also do it on Moodle or on Edmodo, whatever platform they're most familiar with. And then in the end, once students publish their game, then they're going to create a video using Screencast or Jing, explaining their game and how they made sure that it met the success criteria that we had created as a class. And then they'll present this to the class, and they can get feedback from the class as well.